Welcome, gamers! Today we'll explore how to bind keys in Counter-Strike 2, enhancing your gameplay experience. First, let's understand the default key bindings in Counter-Strike 2. These are set to help you play effectively right out of the box. To change your bindings, head to the Settings menu. Look for Keyboard Settings to get started. In the keyboard settings, you can click on each action and press the key you want to bind. Make it feel right for your gameplay style. Here are some common key bindings for weapons and equipment that players often use, like binding R to reload or F for grenades. For advanced users, you can also use the console to create custom key bindings. It provides greater flexibility. Tips for optimal key layout include keeping frequently used actions close to your movement keys for quick access. If you ever want to start fresh, there's an option to reset all your key bindings back to the default settings. After binding your keys, practice them in-game. Adjust as needed to find a setup that feels perfect for you. In conclusion, experimenting with custom bindings can help you discover new ways to enhance your play style and dominate the competition.